Hi everyone, this is Alice. I wanted to talk to you just briefly here about the title page. So I'm going to borrow Robert's work here. He's working on the title page and doing a very nice job. Robert, actually see a lot of really great work here on the title page for APA, American Psychological Association writing style. So I'm going to point out on Robert's paper here some key things. First of all, he has these words running head, and notice that they are not in all caps. They're just sort of regular. It's a capital R, a small h, and then there's this colon right here. So that's how you start out your title page. Running head, colon, and then Robert put his title, Interneurons, a nice succinct title here in all caps. So on the title page, you will have it in all caps. And then he has the page number 1 here, and I've seen that question throughout a few different posts. Should I put the 1 on page 1? And the answer is yes. So now I'm going to scroll down a little bit. You can see already here is the middle part of Robert's paper, and there are 3 pieces to the middle part. First is the title again, Interneurons. Now it's not all caps, just a capital I. And then his name, Robert Byrne here, Robert A. Byrne, that's totally fine. And then the name of the school, Front Range Community College. So he did that perfectly right there. The only thing that's a little bit flexible here for APA style is that you want it to be in the first half or so of the page. So it's okay here, and it could have been down a little bit more, centered a bit more, but it looks pretty good right there to me. So let's scroll down, and we're moving now to the second page. Please notice we do not have an abstract. This is a really short paper, and so there isn't room for an abstract here. It'll be 4 pages of content when we're done. So you notice right away that page 2 is different. Upper left, we have the running head again, but you've dropped those words running head and the colon, and you just have the title. So you just have the title here, and it's in all caps. So throughout the entire paper, it'll be in this upper left, all caps, and then you notice the page number over here. Now, something that I've seen, whoops, sorry about that. Something that I've seen on many papers is that we're missing another title here. So you need to include the title again at the top of page 2, and we're going to center that. And it's not in all caps here, and this is just at the top of page 2. You won't need it again for any subsequent pages, but you need it here, not all caps, just regular, and then centered. Now, a couple of things about Robert's first paragraph and this piece right here. We need it to be double spaced, and we need it to be Times New Roman, 12-point font. So I think it's in the Times New Roman. So we're going to want this paragraph and all of the paper for APA style to be Times New Roman, 12-point font, and double spaced. So I've highlighted this. I'm going to click on paragraph, and then for line spacing, I'm going to choose double and say OK. So it would look a little bit more like this when you have it double spaced. I'll also mention that it's a 1-inch margin for all of APA style. So now I'm going to do a quick look here at his in-text citations. Hockenberry, Nolan, and Hockenberry, 2016, and parenthesis period. That looks good. And then here he has a second citation from Hockenberry using et al., which is the abbreviation that's used anytime you have 3 or more authors for a source. So after you list all the 3 authors out the first time, then you would move to using et al. Okay, so that was a quick overview of some things you might want to look at your own title page right now and make any corrections and repost them before Saturday or before Saturday evening. Okay, thanks a lot. Hope your week's going well.